Welcome to my first video. Today I'm going to show you a small demonstration of how I took a piece of a slab and turned it into a salad bowl set. First you'll see when I cut it up with a chainsaw, then after with a bandsaw. Currently, what I'm going to do is I'm going to true the face of the bowl, which will become the bottom of it. As you can see, I'm speeding up the process a little bit, so I've actually started to form the bottom of this and it's starting to get flat. Slowly moving over to the edges where it's a little bit higher. Now I'll slowly begin to work on the sides. If you could see here from the beginning, it actually wasn't perfectly circular. It has an octagonal shape. It's just the way it makes it easiest to cut it. So here I am going to pretty much turn it into a complete circle at this point. I'm taking off all the rough spots, and like I said before, it's not completely circular, so you kind of have to true up the face, you true up the outside, and then you start making the shape of the bowl. Here I'm turn the tool rest to allow myself a better angle, take a better bite of the wood. So you can see all the shavings flying, and I'm actually pushing really hard when I get towards the front face that you can see, because like I said, this is going to be the bottom. So I'm giving it that, what people in the turning world call an OG shape, or my best attempt at it. Okay, to give you a little kind of idea what's going on here, I was recording this video on my phone. Like I said, this is my first video, so I'm no professional at this, and I'm just trying to practice because everybody's asked me to make a video. This is the biggest salad bowl, so this is where it would hold all the lettuce and everything before everybody ate it, and it's running at 12 inches. I don't have a full video of me forming the outside, mainly just the foot that the chuck would hold onto. But as you can see, as the videos progress, you're starting to get a very symmetrical spin that doesn't look wobbly anymore, and that's what you're going for, and it's really smooth. Like, this tool is making a very nice pass. It's called a shear scrape, and cuts really smooth, especially for dry wood. Later on in the video you'll see me hollow out the inside of a bowl. So this is just, like I said, the biggest one, and I have two videos, or one video of the same bowl being completely hollowed out. And it's just kind of giving you the idea of the process it takes to be able to create a bowl. And in this case, a set of bowls. Thankfully, the video isn't that long. It's just a few short clips put together with audio layover. Okay, here in a second, it's going to transition. You can see what it looks like from the side. Now, this is not the finish. It's just when I chose to stop forming the outside. And you can see how it has what I called like that OG shape, or the bowl shape, and it just needs to be sanded, maybe a few more passes. And this is where I just chose to stop the video. Now this is where it jumps directly into me hollowing out one of the smaller bowls. Now these ones are approximately 7 inches by 3 inches tall. They all vary in size based on maybe like a couple of 1/16 of an inch from either the side. And I've just kind of transitioned together some of the pieces where I'm doing a little slow-mo action, and you can get to see all the shavings coming out. But this is the normal process for hollowing out a bowl, and all 5 bowls went through this process as well. And I tried my hardest, based on one of my friends that really is mentored me in turning, to get the bowls as thin as possible and be symmetrical in all the sizes and the shapes, because I'm new to this. And I was trying to get close to a 1/4 inch on all of them for the wall thickness, and then it kind of tapers down to about a 1/2 inch on the bottom. As the slow-mo video comes to an end, I really hope you enjoyed the process I'm showing of me making a salad bowl set. I've had a lot of requests for something like this. If you have any comments, feedback, or concern, please leave it in the comment section below. Here's some pictures of the finished product. You'll see it on the lathe. This is prior to finishing the bottoms. I was just really excited to get them all done. And coming up here shortly, you'll see what it looks like when we staged them before we ate dinner. And it actually worked out very well. It could hold almost 4 heads of lettuce. So enjoy. Thanks.